My drawing adventure. Today I decided to have a drawing adventure. I grabbed my colored pencils, crayons, and paper. I sat by the window where the sunlight came in. I looked outside and saw beautiful flowers in our garden. I wanted to draw them. I carefully sketched each flower, trying to capture their bright colors. Then I imagined a magical garden with talking animals and friendly fairies. I added them to my drawing. My favorite character was a bluebird who sang lovely songs. As I drew, I felt happy and creative. I showed my drawing to my family, and they loved it. They encouraged me to keep drawing. I want to create more magical worlds on paper. Drawing helps me express my feelings and share my imagination. I can't wait for my next drawing adventure.